Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. When I first heard about TikTok, I'll be honest, I thought it was just teenagers dancing lip syncing to songs. I felt just so old, and I could not for the life of me envision how anything like that could possibly help my business. But after giving it a shot, I quickly realized I was totally wrong. So today, I'm going to walk you through TikTok for business and show you how, as a platform, it can actually help you grow your business. I'll share what worked for me, what didn't, and keep it simple so you can follow along even if you're brand new to all this. It turns out that TikTok is way more than just scrolling entertainment. It has become a genuine powerhouse for reaching people and telling your story and building genuine connection with your audience. So let's dive in and see if TikTok for Business is worth your time and money. Let me break down for you what TikTok for Business actually is. If you're not familiar yet, it's basically TikTok's way of helping businesses reach their massive audience through creative short videos. And when we're saying massive, we're talking over 1.5 billion monthly users. Like, that is a huge space to reach new people and build your brand in this fun, creative, authentic way that they're looking for. So a little backstory. The whole thing started back in 2014 with an app called Musical.ly. Then a few years later, this Chinese tech company called ByteDance bought it out and merged it with their own app, which was called Douyin. And thus, TikTok was born. By 2020, TikTok for Business launched, which gave brands all the tools they need to advertise and manage campaigns and track results, all in a single location. And despite my initial reservations, it's clear that it's not just a trend anymore. It has become a marketing must-have. So how does TikTok for Business work in practice? Do we need to lace up my dancing shoes? No, this is a business tool, and a simple and intuitive one at that. You don't need a big team or fancy equipment. Just create a TikTok business account, and everything you need to promote your brand is built right into the platform. Here's what I love about it. Marketing on TikTok, it doesn't feel like traditional advertising. It's all about creating these short, engaging videos that actually connect with people. There are different ad formats you can try, like videos that show up in people's For You feed, or content that gets boosted to reach more viewers. You can even work with creators or launch hashtag challenges to get your audience involved. TikTok's goal for you is just to be fun and authentic. And setting up campaigns is pretty straightforward. You pick what you want to achieve, be it more website traffic or brand awareness or actual sales, and then you choose who you want to reach. Because TikTok gives you targeting options based on age, interests, and behavior. So your content gets in front of the best people instead of just kind of hoping for the best. So let's talk about the money side of things, because this is where TikTok does things a little bit differently. Unlike other platforms that lock you into monthly plans, TikTok uses a flexible pay-as-you-go setup through their ads manager. You can start with a smaller budget and increase it as your marketing needs grow. Now here is the catch. To run a campaign, you'll need a minimum overall budget of $500, with daily spending starting at $50 for campaigns or $20 for individual ad groups. So keep that upfront cost in mind if you're just testing the waters with a small budget. TikTok ads typically start at around $10 per CPM. That's cost per 1,000 views, which actually makes it relatively affordable, but you do have to meet those minimum budgets. Now, personally, I started modest, testing things out with a simple in-feed ad. All I had to do was upload a quick video, set my audience, pick a goal like traffic or engagement, and I was good to go. What made it even easier was access to TikTok's built-in tools. They have music, filters, effects. These all help my videos look polished without needing an entire production team. For businesses who are ready to go big, TikTok also offers high impact options like top view ads and these branded hashtag challenges and brand takeovers. These are premium formats with higher costs, and I'll be honest, I haven't used them myself yet, but they are super powerful if you're trying to launch a product or host an event or just generally trying to go viral. They also have a commerce platform built in called TikTok Shop, and it's great if you're trying to sell products directly through their app. It connects your products to your content so people can discover and buy without ever leaving the app. And I've got affiliate links for TikTok for Business down in the description. You'll get access to some special resources and deals that aren't available if you go directly to their website. All right, let's be real about the ups and the downs of TikTok for Business, because it's a platform, and like any platform, it's got its strengths and some areas that it can be better. On the positive side, getting started was genuinely easy. Absolute piece of cake. Setting up my first campaign was straightforward, and the creative tools built into the app make it so dang easy just to create engaging content without needing that huge video team. And I appreciate the flexibility of the ad formats, whether it's promoting a short video or collaborating with creators, or launching something more interactive like a branded effect. And most importantly for me, the targeting options were on point. I was able to reach exactly the audience I had in mind. But there are definitely some downsides that are worth mentioning. Like, the platform has limited integration with other tools like Salesforce, and you're just not going to get the reporting features that you find with Facebook or with Google Ads. They're not as advanced. There's no beating around the bush there. If you do rely on those complex analytics or those third-party tools, it can be frustrating. Also, that minimum budget requirement can be a barrier if you're just starting out and you want to just dip your toes in the water and see what there is to see. Also, their algorithm can be totally unpredictable. Like, what works one week might not work the next. You really gotta stay on your toes and keep adapting your strategy. Now, I've used both Instagram for Business and TikTok for Business. And for a while, Instagram was my go-to. It has a massive user base. And I liked how polished the platform felt. The ad formats like image posts and carousels and videos and reels, they fit naturally with the kind of content I was already creating. Plus, Instagram has a thing called lookalike audience, which makes it easy to reach people similar to those that already are following me. But after spending some time on TikTok, honestly, my opinion's starting to shift. TikTok feels more dynamic and interactive. They have tools like Spark ads and branded hashtag challenges, which make it easier to get people involved, like interactive, instead of just showing them stuff. I also found that my content had a better chance of picking up steam on TikTok, even without a massive following going in. Despite my issues with the minimum budget, another big reason I started favoring TikTok was the cost. TikTok's lower cost per 1,000 impressions made it much more budget friendly, especially for smaller campaigns. I could test and learn without burning through my ad budget nearly as quickly. Now, Instagram has great tools, especially for e-commerce. I just personally find that TikTok gave me more creative freedom and better engagement on my actual posts. So go with TikTok for Business if you're looking to reach a young, highly engaged audience and you're comfortable creating video content very regularly. It's perfect for businesses who can tell their story through short, creative videos. Think like restaurants, fitness brands, fashion, beauty, really any service business that can show their work in action. Skip it if you're targeting an older demographic and you need advanced analytics or reporting, or if you're just not ready to constantly create video content. I get it, it's hard work. And if that $500 minimum budget is too steep for your current marketing spend, you might just want to look somewhere else and come back to TikTok later. But bottom line, end of the day, despite my initial misgivings, we'll put it that way, TikTok for Business has undoubtedly helped me reach new audiences and bring more energy into promoting my brand. It's simple to get started, relatively cost effective, once you meet the minimums, and packed with creative tools that make advertising feel less like a chore and more just like storytelling. If you're a small business owner or a freelancer, or you're a marketer looking to connect with this young, engaged crowd, it's definitely worth exploring. Just be prepared to stay consistent with your content creation and adapt as you learn what works. So tell me, what has your experience been with TikTok for Business? Drop a comment below and let me know what's worked for you or what challenges you faced along the way. I've included my affiliate links for TikTok for Business down in the description. Using these links gives you access to special resources and helps support the channel at the same time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.